Sit on the floor on your yoga mat with your legs stretched out in front of you. Your spine should be erect while you sit. Now bend your right side knee and place your foot on your left thigh. See to it that the sole of your feet is pointing in the upward direction and your heel is placed close to the abdomen region. Now repeat the same instructions with the other leg. Remember to keep both of your legs crossed and your feet on the opposite thighs while you place your hands on your knees or on your heels. Your hands can be placed in a mudra position or they can just be left released. Breathe and hold for as long as you feel comfortable. And then gently release in the way that you entered the